Discord is a social media app that allows you to communicate with your friends and family. The default language in Discord app is English, however, you can easily change it to any one of the given languages easily. In this video, we will show you how you can change the language in the Discord to any language that you want. First, open the app by tapping on its icon. This will take you to the main screen of the app. Tap on the icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see some of the different settings that you can adjust. Scroll down till you find the language setting. Tap on Language. Tap here. You will see different language which you can choose from. You can also scroll down for more language. Here, I will tap on Spanish. As an example, you can use any language you want. As you can see, I have changed my language to Spanish. You can even go back to the main settings and see the language for the whole app is changed.